Yo, what's up y'all? Welcome back to day one of Vlogmas. I missed yesterday. I went to the St. John concert. I didn't have a video to upload, so I'm very sorry about that. But today is Friday. Today is the day I need to get the Integra running correctly. I was supposed to go to Wireworks this morning, but we put my map on Randy's car. It's not that. There's no resistance in the, he tested the harness wire and everything checked out fine. So it's not that. It's not the harness at all. So what I'm going to do today is I'm gonna go buy a new crank sensor, put the crank sensor in the car and see what's good. Hopefully that fixes it. I'm not entirely too sure, but we're gonna go on this journey together and see what's real and what's good. Shout out to baby girl for breaking this. But check out that cereal though. What y'all messing with? The Fruity Pebbles or the Frosted Flakes? You hear me? Or the Bookie Brisp. Y'all like the Bookie Brisp? Great chocolate bit Bookie taste. These things slap for real though. I should have some cereal this morning. What's up, crybaby? What's wrong with you? No gas! Look at that! No gas! Leaving Randy's house, picked up my map sensor, and we're good to go. Now I gotta go to O'Reilly, pick up a new crank sensor, and give that a test. O'Reilly Auto Parts. So I'm at my mom's place. I took off my crank sensor, and check this out. I don't know what this stuff is. Shavings or something. Just a crank sensor. I'm gonna go ahead and remove it and put the new one in and see what it does. All right, so I got the harness back on, got everything situated, new crank sensor on. Let's see what happens. Pressure sensor taking a crap, but everything seems good so far. We'll see when it warms up though. When it warms up, that's when I have the issues. Let's see. It's slowly warming up. So the process of elimination, I took out the pump right here. I inspected it, make sure everything is okay, Gucci taters, everything checks out right now. I mean, the wiring, everything seems okay, but I don't know if the pump is internally good. So what I gotta do right now is shoot over to Randy's house, get his power probe, then we'll put this back in the car, shoot to Randy's house, get the power probe, come back, turn the car on, put power, not power, just put 12 volts, not 12 volts, just put the probe in this, and if the car shuts off and this is still staying 12 volts, that means my pump is bad. If it goes to 0, that means this is good. It's somewhere to do with the relay or something. We're gonna try our best to figure this shit out today, because I got a Winterfest tomorrow morning. I gotta take a deuce. Vlogmas. Bro, oh my god, I fixed the problem. The problem is fixed. Oh my god, you guys won't believe the issue that it was. This shit is ridiculous. This was the problem. What you see in my hand is a 30 amp fuse that goes to my JBtuned fuel pump relay kit, and it is fried. It's literally fried. Bro, it's fried, son. This is unbelievable. We put the power probe on the fuel pump harness and it read 12 volts perfectly fine. Everything was Gucci taters. Then after that, Randy was like, yo, check the fuel pump relay. Check the fuel pump relay. It's hot. Like, it is super hot. I'm like, yo, this is kind of weird. Pop it off. I look down. Melted. Melted, bro. Call JBtuned. He's like, let me guess what happened. Yeah, I told him what happened. He's like, let me guess. It'll turn off, and then like a couple seconds later or whenever, it'll start back up. I'm like, correct. And he's like, yeah, it'll die again, right? Like, yep, I'm gonna give you a new box. Don't worry about it. I've been chasing this problem. This problem started officially happening when I put the 525, well 535 pump in here along with the bigger injectors. But it was honestly just the pump itself, because the relay feeds the pump feeds the relay, right? Or vice versa. And running that bigger pump, you need a bigger fuse. The issue I was having was the fuse that I had, the 30 amp fuse that I have, is too small. It's too small for that 535 pump. It's a huge pump. It sucks a lot of juice. Pause. That's my problem. It is finally fixed. So I hate that it's so dark in here. Why is it so dark? But got the piece we need from JB, which is this piece right here, along with our new fuse. And now we just gotta do what we gotta do to get it. This is a very expensive fuse. This has a thing right here, so if this goes, it breaks the circuit, this will pop up. You just hit it again and it'll reset itself. But hopefully we don't have the catastrophe that we had earlier. So, and now I gotta go in there, depin and repin, and we should be solid. All right, let's get done. Let's get to work. All right, guys, the car is fixed. So I got the whole kit on. Had to go back to JB's house so he can depin my old one because it melted. Bro, a lot has happened. It's like 10:30 now, almost 11 o'clock. Randy left to go get some tools that I need so I can fix my exhaust rattle noise. It's so annoying. But Christina is back, boys. She is back. She didn't turn off. I still got to go drive it, make sure it doesn't limp in anything. I hope it doesn't limp. But yeah, we just got to go drive it and see what's good. But I think everything is good. On camera, the car looks blue. Gotta love it, bro. Could you imagine just like that? Shout out to my boy Poncho. We got the same car now, my G. It's green though. The car is green. It just looks blue. But let's take a look at that stop tech though. At that stop tech though. Look at the wheel. Oh, race car. Yeah, that's not me. Yeah. So that is all what's going on right now. I'm just waiting on my mama to bring me my nuggets. It's cool that my girlfriend and my mom are like best friends. I always wanted that type of relationship, and now I got it. I don't know how I feel about it. Huh? So it is days later. Well, today is Sunday at the time of this recording. The day you're watching this is on a Sunday. You're fine. The Integra is still broken, bro. Bro, figured out it was the relay. Put a new relay in. Now the car does not shut off, which is great. But when you go to drive at 2,000 RPMs, it always just cuts power. Every time. But what I'm gonna do, attempt tonight. Randy has my ECU. I put my ECU in Randy's car. His car starts. We don't know if it drives, so we're gonna go over there, see if it drives. If it drives, great. The car did warm up on my ECU, and no issues. So I don't know what the problem could be at this point. Fred gave me some new sensors, some cam sensors, the TDC sensor and the cam positioning sensor. So I already put those in. I just gotta go home, put my ECU back in my car. Well, go to Randy's, see if his car drives on my ECU, which I know it will. But because my ECU I don't think my ECU was the problem. Then I gotta shoot back to my mom's house, put my Integra back together, drive it here, and then start diagnosing the car home. So that is what's going on right now, bro. What kind of chicken is this?
I don't know. I just made it really quick because we were both hungry.
Well, what's
pollo and salsa? I don't know. I just
pollo and salsa.
Took it
arroz y pollo. Arroz y pollo.
I took it apart.
Buenas.
Let me finish.
Buenas.
Then I took it apart with my hands just to make it like shredded.
Wow, you're so cool. I'm gonna put you on camera. Yeah. And 5, and 4,
show
and
me
3.
Chicken. You can't even see the seasoning in that. The sauce. Oh, show them the sazon, babe.
Salt is not seasoning. Okay, so just now leaving Randy's house, got my ECU. Turns out that it is indeed not my ECU. My ECU on his. Oh, wait, baby, gotta go back. Yeah, reverse, babe. I gotta get the laptop.
There's a car behind you?
No. All right, I am back home at my mom's house. Now it's time to load up this tune and get my, oh, I gotta have baby girl pilot the car out for me. Yep. Oh, I forgot I gotta do all that. Alright, I'm going home. I gotta let it warm up outside the neighborhood, so that's why I'm so glad I'm out of this garbage ass place. But I'm going on the way home now. I'll show you guys the problem, what happens when it starts happening. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys what it does right now. Watch me, it won't go past 2,000 RPM, it's gonna fall on his face. Every time 2,000, it falls on his face. 2,000, it falls on his face. 2,000, falls on his face. Now, I don't know what it is, but hopefully I can fix it soon. She's somewhat driving, and then it just got a downshift from 6th to 5th. I gotta go to 6, and then it'll work again. It's definitely weird, man. I wonder if it is tune related. But the tune doesn't seem corrupted on the laptop, so I'm not entirely too sure. But it's something stupid. I hope to have fixed soon. Hopefully tomorrow. At 2,000, it'll do it, remember?
Yeah.
It's not doing it no more. The TPS just needed.
To see your excitement right now.
I had a tear come out my eye. I never cry, and I was so excited because it was a TPS the whole time. Well, I don't know if it's a TPS or the sensors for it. I have no idea what's going on right now. It was the relay. I think when the relay took a crap, I started messing with other things, and basically on the way home, I saw that the TPS wasn't moving. So all I did was put the TPS to like, I calibrated the TPS, and now it's like revving past 2 grand. I can rev the car. Wanna do a pull?
Yeah.
It's been a minute! Woo! Alright, let's do it. Wow, what a day. So we're back home. We took Christina out for this nice little date. Now it's time for you to watch this video. It's 10 o'clock and look at my baby. Lighting is terrible, but my baby is home. She's home. She is home. Now it is time to edit this video for you guys. So I honestly believe the problem was the relay. Well, we see how burnt up it was. It was the relay. I think when I fixed the relay and I loaded my tune back on, I never calibrated the TPS again, and that was causing my issue. So once I recalibrated TPS, issue is gone. We're good. We are good. That is wraps for this video. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Integra is back, so expect some supercharged content on the way. IFO is next weekend. Roscoe, if you're watching, I'm sorry I couldn't make Winterfest with the Integra, but I'm glad I showed up. It was Randy's first event with this RSX. That's not PBIR, so everything was a great day Saturday. Today is Sunday. I hope you guys enjoying your weekend. Vlogmas returns tomorrow. Monday. You doing laundry?
Yes, take your clothes off when you're done.
You ain't trying to get freaky?
Yes.
Alright, boo. I'm a with y'all. I'm out. Peace.